Being a pet-friendly plant lover is a balancing act. As a pet parent, safeguarding their well-being is priority one, especially when your home is a garden haven. But fear not, for there are cat-friendly plants approved by the ASPCA, perfect for any cat garden. Take the American rubber plant, also known as the baby rubber plant, an indoor evergreen perennial that's quite easy to care for. Just remember to shield it from prolonged exposure to direct sunlight to keep those leaves looking fresh. Next up, the Persian violet, with its fragrant, short-lived flowers and attractive yellow center. Thriving in partial sunlight, mild temperatures, and moist, well-drained soil, it's a general beauty that adds charm to any room. Calathea is another favorite, celebrated for its beautiful leaves and used often as a decorative piece. With partial light, adequate humidity, and well-drained soil, it's more than just a pretty face. Now, if you're craving some outdoor beauty, the radiant yellow sunflower is perfect for brightening your balcony. This iconic bloom requires full sunlight and loose, well-drained alkaline soil. A touch of sunlight and you've got a sunshine companion. Marigolds are more than just a vivid delight. They might even tempt your kitten to taste the blooms. This can aid in digestion and fight bacteria and viruses in its system. And don't overlook the zinnia, a notorious pet favorite. Cats love to nibble on its vibrant flowers, and with various colors and shapes, zinnias offer a feast for the eyes and a tasty treat for your feline friend. Last but not least, the prayer plant, with leaves that turn like hands in prayer. A spiritual and aesthetic addition, thriving in bright indirect sunlight and well-draining soil. If you found this video helpful and exciting, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more pet-friendly gardening tips and inspiration. Until next time, cultivate a garden that's safe for your furry friends, and happy gardening!